Hello my friend, how are you? I hope you and your family are doing really well and keeping safe and healthy as always. And just wishing you well for today, whatever time you are watching. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I already primed and set my eyelids. So whatever I don't mention that I use, it will be listed in the description box down below with affiliate links. It may or may not have it, but you're free to use it if you like. So I really want to create a spring to summer makeup look because the first day of summer is coming. We are already on the first week of June as I'm filming this, and the first day of summer is literally coming like in 3 weeks, or I think 2 weeks already. And so I thought, what better way to prepare the summer season than to use a summer palette. And this is from Voss. This one is called Sunkissed Summer. I did purchase this one in Marshall's, I believe 2 years ago. So I have used it already and I do love the shimmers, and I thought it's very beautiful for just this bright season we are approaching really soon. I mean, personally, I'm not a fan of summer, but it's coming. Okay, so I think I accidentally stopped recording when I was applying this shade right here. But basically what I did was I took my Sigma E27 and I just put it all over my crease. I think I'll just dip into it again just to make it a little bit more bolder. But I'm sorry about that. I didn't know I pressed the button to stop recording. Okay, so now to deepen up my crease, I'm going to take this shade right here called Tan Lines. And I'll be taking this little brush. It doesn't have a name, but it just looks like this. Okay, so the next shade I want to take is Sandbar. And I want to use it as a transitional shade, and I'm taking the Prolux K805. So for my shimmer for the lid, I want to take this one called Heat Wave. And I'm just going to be using my finger. I could tell the shimmer is so pigmented and metallic. It looks beautiful. So pretty. Oh, absolutely love that shade. Okay. Okay, so for my inner corner, I am taking this shade. This one is called Glow On. And I'll be taking my little brush that I got from Dollar Tree very long time ago. It's a little fallout on that shimmer, but it's really, really pretty. It's just like kind of a little flaky. Okay, so I took some of my pigment palette with the Kora Organics highlighter, and I ended up choosing the shades, a pink one, a little bit of the yellow, white, and fuchsia. And so far this is what I got. It's like a light pinkish shade. And I'll be taking the Profusion Casper base brush. I absolutely love using this product to create like my own blush because it always comes out different every time I use this pigment palette. It makes me feel so great to not buy liquid blush that's on the market right now, especially like with the new ones that e.l.f. and ColourPop came out. I feel like I'm saving a lot of money not buying those, and I just love creating like my own shade. The most important step for this to last the whole day is to set with my setting powder. This is like a translucent one from Laura Mercier. Okay, my friends, so this would be my finished look. So I really love the palette from Violet Voss. I have tried another one that is not as good as this one because the shimmers are so beautiful. Like, I love how metallic it looks on my eyes. and it looks sparkly. I love how the mattes blended so beautifully as well. So I hope that you enjoyed watching this tutorial. Thank you so much for coming by to see my video, and I hope that you enjoyed. May God bless always, my friend. You take good care of yourself, and I am wishing you a good day or night, whatever time you are watching. And I hope to see you soon in my next video.